Hello everyone. Before we start opening the Trade Republic account, we first need these document and information. Now if you have these, let's begin. So I am providing a referral code in the description by clicking which you will land on Play Store or App Store. There you can download and install the Trade Republic app. Now once you open the app, you will see this user interface. Now click on sign up. So now they'll ask you for your phone number, and once you have entered your phone number, they'll send an OTP on that number. So after that, they'll ask you to generate a new PIN, which will help you to log into the app. Now once you did that, you are halfway through it. Now only 2 steps are remaining. So in the personal information, they'll ask you for your full name and birth of date. So this should be according to your document. For example, my name is Muhammad Kaif Sayyed. Muhammad is my middle name, Kaif is my first name. So I'll put something like this, Muhammad Kaif, and in the last name I'll put Sayyed and my birth date. After that, you have to enter your email address. So this email address is really important. Now they will ask for your current registered address. Now bear in mind that this current registered address should also be shown into your own document which you will be providing. Now after that, you have to select the city in which you were born, so you can also put your hometown. Now after this, they will ask for your citizenship. Now if you are an expat like me, just click on the drop down menu and select your country of citizenship. Now after that, they'll ask where do you currently pay taxes. Now I will select Germany because I am living in Germany. You can select anywhere else. Now here they will be asking if you have received a referral code or not. So you can provide the referral code which was provided by me. Also, this is a great way to support this channel. Now after that, they will ask for your experience with stocks, ETFs and derivatives. So you can provide your own experience, and after that we are done with the second part as well. Now this last stage is also the crucial one, because you have to verify your personal identity with an official ID card. Now after you've clicked next, they'll ask you to be ready with your identity card. Now this ID card shouldn't be damaged, and this ID card should contain your updated current address. Now after making sure you have enough lighting in your room, you can toggle the switch button and click on verify. So here they will ask you with which document you will be verifying yourself. So I'll put the residence permit here. So in the document verification, they will first ask you to click a photo of your document. So after this, they asked for the passport number, and then they asked for a selfie. So selfie shouldn't be that professional and also not so much casual. It should be in between. After this, they will ask you to allow a temporary location access so that they can upload the document. Now after you have provided the consent with the signature, they'll share you an OTP which you have to verify as well. And the last step is just to give a consent for the escrow account. So escrow account is nothing but a brokerage account. Now once you have provided that, you are done from your end. Now you just have to wait for 2 working days until you receive an email confirmation that your account has been opened. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.